This is our slide screen system. This is how you properly deploy the slide screen system. First off, what you need to do is you need to make sure that your track plugs are removed from the track. You're gonna remove them from the track by lifting up and twisting it to loosen to where you can slide that out of each side of the track. You have one on both sides. Lift up, twist, wiggle it out, okay? Once you have those out, put those in your pocket. You're gonna grab your screen here, okay? First thing you need to do is get this left tape started in this track right here. One side in, then you come to the second side here. Once you got it in like that, you just have to work it into the system here. A little left or right action helps sometimes, so you get it sliding. Once you get it sliding good, you can get the whole thing in. Now, once you have the screen in place, you grab the plug that you put in your pocket. The key to this plug is that you really have to tighten it down to get it to pinch this rubber gasket to hold it in the track. So once you put it in the top, you're going to twist it clockwise. Continue to twist it till you have a little bit of a resistance. Once you start to feel that resistance, then you can pull up and over, locking that into place. We have one side, we'll do the other. Once again, insert into the track, twist clockwise, feel some resistance, pull down into place. And that's how you deploy a slide screen.